The myth of Pandora's box comes from ancient Greece. It is about a woman named Pandora. The myth says that Zeus, the king of the gods, made Pandora as a punishment for people not listening to him. The gods gave her a box that held all of the bad things in the world. They told her not to open it. But Pandora was too curious and opened the box, letting all the bad things out into the world. The story of Pandora's box shows us not to give in to our curiosity and temptations too easily. It tells us that opening doors to the unknown can lead to things we didn't expect, and that we all have the potential to do bad things. Just like in the story, opening these doors can have real-life effects. For example, the internet can be a breeding ground for false information, propaganda, and hate speech, all of which can have real-world effects. The story of Pandora's box is very important for us to know right now. As the world becomes more connected, it's easier than ever to open doors to the unknown. We have to be careful that our curiosity and desire to learn don't lead us down a path that will hurt us. Instead, we should try to use our curiosity and knowledge to make the world a better place for us and everyone else. In the end, Pandora's box is a cautionary tale that teaches us not to give in to temptation or our own curiosity. It reminds us that we all have the ability to do bad things, and it warns us about the bad things that can happen when we open doors to the unknown. By learning from Pandora's box, we can work to make the world a better place for us and for future generations.